Let's take a tour of the Mulberry Hotel in Vicksburg, Mississippi. Now, this is a former Margaritaville hotel and Harrah's Casino, and it has been renovated to become the most beautiful hotel, full of artwork. And wow, the interior design on this hotel is just absolutely stunning. It looks like something that definitely belongs in a magazine. And during my 2-day stay or 2-night stay here, I was absolutely just really surprised at how gorgeous this property is. These are some of the common rooms that you can play games in. Obviously, there's a pool table, enjoy a cocktail, read a book. This is a property that has hotel rooms as well as apartments. So the people that are staying here as guests with the hotel might be mingling with those that are living in Vicksburg. So those are the common rooms, and then you're seeing the lobby area. This is where you're going to be checking in if you are a hotel guest. If you are living in the apartments, this might be where you are asking questions and, getting some help with the residences. So there is a pool here, just like a Margaritaville hotel would have had. And this is just absolutely a really beautiful pool. It is huge. This video is actually taken pretty early in the morning. That's why it's a little dark right there. But there is plenty of room to lay out, and it is right near the Yazoo Canal, which is off the Mississippi River. So this is a little bit more of those public areas in the lobby area. Right here where you check in, there is absolutely a lot of like food and drink that you can be getting, more snacks, but drinks as well, even alcoholic drinks and wine. This is going to be kind of the communal eating center, where it's nice to wait for other members of your party to come down, have a quick snack. The exercise room is going to be located down here as well, and that is right off the lobby. Absolutely just a stunning exercise room. And then there is the Jackson Street Gallery. So there is an art gallery on the main floor of the Mulberry Hotel, and it is stunning as well. So much beautiful artwork that you can look at and just walk in and wander around, and pick up something for yourself as a great souvenir of your visit to Vicksburg. I really like this place as well. So this is a room tour, and I can't remember the room number that this is, but they all pretty much look the same because I actually had to switch rooms before the first overnight because there was just a mechanical problem. So I was in 2 hotel rooms and they both looked the same. They were comfortable. I found them to be quiet and, modern amenities. So it was nice. The view out of this hotel room left a lot to be desired, a lot to be desired, and I was actually not really thrilled with that view. When I did switch rooms, I got a pool view room, which actually was much nicer. So when you are booking, I would highly suggest that you actually try to get a pool view room. This is the Yazoo Canal, which is a waterway that comes off of the Mississippi River, which is really close by, and it is in Vicksburg. But that's not the waterway that you're going to be seeing right there by the hotel. So just keep that in mind. This location, though, is great. It is within walking distance of downtown and so many of the museums and things that you want to do. So this is just going to be showing you what the closet looks like in here, and then the bathroom coming up. It was simple, but it was fine for our stay. This is one of the newer hotels and more modern, which is kind of nice because a lot of things in Vicksburg, especially in the downtown area, tend to be historic and older. So if you're looking for something that is modern and modern amenities, you might really like this property. Now there was stairs leading into the lobby, but this is the elevator option. If you have mobility issues and you cannot use these stairs that come in off the street level to go to the lobby. And this is the pool view that I have from that second room that I had during my stay here in Vicksburg. If you've ever stayed at this property, let me know in the comments below.